We know that sometimes the secret used for signing a JWT is weak, coupled with the fact that we can perform this attack offline against just a single token makes it a really important test to carry out. Now, of course, if you have access to source code or are in direct contact with the developers of an application, this is an easy thing to audit. But often we're attacking from the outside, so we may not be privy to how the application creates and handles its secrets. You can use JWT tool to carry out this attack, but Hashcat is a little bit more effective for cracking. We'll look more at JWT tool and its capabilities in the next video. Alright, so we're just going to quickly demo how we can use Hashcat to crack this token and extract the secret. So same as before, I'm just going to send a post request to /login. It's going to have some JSON data, and the username is user and the password is user as well. And this gives us a valid token. Of course, your target application, usually when you log in, the response will have a token, so you can just take it out of Burp Suite, or take it from your cookies. You know, there's lots of ways to get your hands on a token. So next up, we just go hashcat, and then, I want the attack mode to be a dictionary attack, so that's -A0. If you want to brute force without a dictionary, I think it's -A3. And then the mode is 16500 for JWTs. So I'm just going to paste the token. Of course, you could save this to a file and then just reference the file, but I'm just going to paste it in for now. And then I'm just going to use Rocky for this. And then we can see it's loading up and it's done already. That was faster than I expected, actually. So you can see the status is cracked. If it got through the whole word list and couldn't find it, it would say exhausted. And that might be an indication that you either need to use a different word list, a more targeted word list, or potentially switch to brute force mode and leave it running for a few hours. But you'll see that we don't actually see the password here. So all we need to do is come back, hit --show, and then it will reveal to us the password. So very weak, 6 characters, and the entropy is not very high. What I mean by entropy is the character set. So here we only have lowercase characters and a number. If you have high entropy, you might include uppercase characters, special characters, things like that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab this token again, and then we're going to come over to jwt.io. And then the same as before, we're going to use this as the secret. I'm just going to change this to admin, paste in the secret, copy this forged token, and then I'm just going to make a request to the dashboard with my new token. So curl tac I http localhost dashboard, and then we just want to pass the header authorization bearer, and then we post in our token. And we have welcome to your dashboard admin. And that's it. So obviously if a JWT is signed with a weak key, we can crack it and then forge our own tokens, as we've seen a couple of times. In the next video, we'll look at some other misconfigurations and how we can identify them with JWT tool, and then we will walk through some of the challenges that we've had so far in this module. I'll see you there.